Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chloe, and today we are going to talk about relaxing English listening practice with a guided evening wind-down reflection story.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Chloe, how is your evening going?
Hi Lucas, it is going very well. I am feeling soft and quiet.
Yes, slower and softer than usual.
Because tonight is an evening reflection.
Reflection? That is a wonderful word.
What does reflection mean, Lucas?
Reflection means looking back at your day calmly, like looking into a clear, still pool of water.
That sounds very peaceful. You see your day without stress.
Exactly. Today we are combining simple English with a guided wind-down.
Wind down, like letting a clock stop ticking so fast.
Yes, letting your brain slow down before sleep.
This is wonderful for complete beginners.
Why, Chloe?
Because when your body relaxes, your ears open up. You stop fighting the English language.
That is a great psychological secret.
So Lucas, how should our listeners prepare right now?
Step 1. Find a comfortable place. Sit on your sofa or lie down on your bed.
Step 2. Put your phone down. You do not need to look at our faces today.
Step 3. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth.
Slower and softer.
Yes. Let's begin our guided reflection story. Imagine you are walking home at twilight.
Twilight is the beautiful time between day and night.
Yes. The sky is deep indigo blue, painted with soft streaks of pink and orange.
The streetlights begin to turn on one by one. Click, click.
You reach your front door. You take your key from your pocket. You slide it into the lock. Click.
You push the door open. You walk inside your safe, warm home.
What is the first thing you do?
You close the door behind you.
Yes. You close the door on the busy outside world. All the noise, all the traffic, all the tasks. They stay outside.
You are safe inside.
You take off your shoes. You feel the solid, quiet floor under your feet.
You take off your heavy jacket. You hang it on the hook.
With that jacket, you hang up all the heavy worries of your day.
Lucas, that feels so comforting. Hang up your worries.
Yes, they do not belong in your evening. Now, you walk into your kitchen. You fill a small kettle with fresh, cold water.
You turn on the stove. You wait.
While the water warms, you do not look at your phone. You just look out the kitchen window at the quiet evening sky.
Soon, the kettle makes a soft, warm sound.
You pour the hot water into your favorite ceramic mug. Inside the mug is chamomile tea.
Chamomile is a tiny yellow and white flower that brings sleep.
Yes, the warm steam rises up to your face. It smells like sweet summer grass.
You hold the warm mug in both hands. Slower and softer.
You walk to your living room. You turn on one small lamp in the corner.
Slower and softer light, not bright ceiling lights.
No, slower and softer yellow light. You sit down on your comfortable sofa. You pull a soft knitted blanket over your legs. Now, let's do our evening reflection. Let's look back at our day together.
Without judgment, just looking.
Think about your morning. You woke up, you got out of bed, you started your day.
Say to yourself silently, I did my best today.
I did my very best today. That is enough.
Even if you made mistakes?
Yes, Chloe. Especially if you made mistakes. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise.
I love that. Lessons in disguise.
Now, think about one moment today where you worked hard. Maybe at your job, maybe at school, maybe cleaning your home.
Acknowledge that effort. Say silently, I worked hard and now I am resting.
I worked hard and now I am resting. Next, let's find one small joy from your day.
A small joy, not winning the lottery, just a tiny good thing.
Yes. Did you feel the warm sun on your face?
Did you drink a good glass of water?
Did someone smile at you?
Did you hear a nice song?
Hold that one small joy in your mind like a glowing little marble. Say silently, I am grateful for this small joy.
Lucas, feeling gratitude changes the rhythm of your heart. It makes you feel full and safe.
That is true. Now, let's do something very important. Let's release what we did not finish.
Ah, the to-do list sitting in our head.
Yes, look at that list. Say silently, the day is done. What is unfinished can wait until tomorrow.
What is unfinished can wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow is a brand new, clean piece of paper.
Yes, you do not need to carry today's unfinished business into your bed. Put it down on the table next to your empty tea mug.
Lucas, that mental picture is so helpful. You physically set the heavy list down on the table.
Exactly. Let's take a tiny pause from our gentle reflection story and ask our peaceful listeners a quick question.
Yes, listeners, keep your eyes closed or look at the soft light in your room. Think about this. What is one good thing that happened to you today?
You do not need to type it right now. You can write your answer in the comments tomorrow morning when you wake up fresh and rested. Now, Chloe, let's do part 3, our wonderful learning section. Let's teach some gentle English vocabulary and structures from our reflection.
Slower and softer grammar. Slower and softer words.
First, let's look at 3 wonderful evening adjectives: calm, still, and serene.
Slower and softer words.
Calm means peaceful, without excitement or worry. A calm evening.
Still means without motion, completely quiet and unmoving. The water is still.
And serene. Serene is a master-level word. It means clear, pure, and beautifully peaceful.
A serene night sky. Say it with us at home. Serene. That is a useful sentence. Yes, many people use it when talking about nature or deep peace. Let's give another example. Great idea. When I close my eyes, my mind becomes serene. Now, let's look at the past tense of senses we used in our story. Slower and softer past verbs. Verbs for what you felt today. Verb number 1. Feel. Today, I feel calm. Yesterday, I felt calm. F-E-E-L becomes F-E-L-T. Felt. It is irregular. Verb number 2. See. Today, I see the sunset. Yesterday, I saw the sunset. S-A-W. Saw. Irregular again. Do not say seed. Verb number 3. Smell. Today, I smell tea. Yesterday, I smelled tea. S-M-E-L-L-E-D. That one is regular. We add ed. In British English, sometimes spelled with a T. Smelt. Great distinction. Take a slow breath and breathe out. And the word release. Release means to let go of something tight. Release. Hold the S sound at the end like a gentle leaking balloon. Release. Release your worries. Okay, let's go back to our reflection story. You are sitting on your sofa. Your tea is finished. Your day is reviewed and released. Your body feels heavy and warm under the blanket. Slower and softer. You stand up from the sofa. You walk slowly into your bedroom. Slower and softer steps. The bed is waiting for you. The clean, soft pillows. The smooth, cool sheets. You climb into bed. You lie on your back. Let's do a final body wind count. Slower and softer. Focus on your feet. Feel them become heavy and sink into the mattress. Say silently, my feet are resting. Move up to your legs and your back. Feel the tension melt away into the soft bed. Say silently, my body is resting. Move up to your shoulders, your neck, and your jaw. Let your lower jaw drop slightly. Unclench your teeth. Say silently, my face is resting. And finally, focus on your mind, sitting behind your quiet eyes. Say silently, my mind is at peace. I am ready for sleep. Now, Chloe, it is time for our wonderful listen and repeat practice. Yes, listeners, you do not need to speak out loud. You can just whisper these serene sentences in your mind while you lie in the dark. Slower and softer than ever before. Repeat after us. Feel the quiet rhythm. I am closing the door on my busy day. I am closing the door on my busy day. All my heavy worries stay outside. All my heavy worries stay outside. I am safe and warm inside my home. I am safe and warm inside my home. I did my very best today. I did my very best today. I am grateful for one small joy. I am grateful for one small joy. What is unfinished can wait until tomorrow. What is unfinished can wait until tomorrow. I am taking a slow, deep breath. I am taking a slow, deep breath. I release all my tension into the soft bed. I release all my tension into the soft bed. My body is completely still. My body is completely still. My mind is serene and quiet. My mind is serene and quiet. Slower and softer into sleep. Slower and softer into sleep. Good night. Peaceful dreams. Good night. Peaceful dreams. Beautiful whisper shadowing, everyone. Yes, slower and softer English. Chloe. Any final gentle reminder for our sleepy friends tonight?